Welcome to Amma Stories. Today, let's hear a story from Hitopadesha. This story is about a washerman and his wife and his donkey. The washerman and his wife, they lived in a village, but they had no children. Instead, they had a donkey who they loved and cared too much. They brought that donkey up like their own child. Every day, the washerman and his wife, along with the donkey, goes to the river bank, washes the clothes there, and come back home with the washed clothes. One day, as they were passing the village school, they heard the master talking to his students. In fact, the master was shouting at the students, uh, you people, all of you were donkeys. Now I have made you into strong boys who can think on their own. So now go fetch for yourself and lead your lives. And always be grateful for me because I am the person who made you into thinking people. These were the master's words. Hearing this, the washerman and his wife were excited or thrilled. They thought, the master has some magic. He can make boys out of donkeys. So let's give this donkey to the master and ask him to change this donkey into a boy. And we can bring that boy as our own. So the washerman and his wife went to the master and told him to make the donkey into a boy. The master tried to explain his stand, but the washerman and his wife did not listen to those things. They just wanted a child. So the master said, "Okay, I I may need an year to make this donkey into a child. So come next year on the same day to the same place and you can take your child back." Hearing this, the washerman and the wife were so happy that they started counting the days. And as soon as a year had completed, they came back to the master and asked for their child. The master tried to explain his stand, but the washerman and his wife will not listen to him. They just wanted their child or the boy back. So the master, what did he do? He pointed to a child playing little far away with a ball and said, "Oh, that's your child. Go and take him to your house." So the washerman and his wife went to the child and asked him to follow them to their house. But the child did not come because these people were strangers. And how can the child go with such strangers? So the child refused. The washerman went on telling him. And finally, the washerman said to his wife, "Go, bring that sack of grain and that rope and that uh, bundle of clothes. Maybe, also bring that stick also. Maybe this child might remember who he was last year." So the wife did as she was told. And the washerman showed all these things to the child and said, "Do you remember all these? When you were a donkey, you used to carry this bundle of clothes to the river, and I used to beat you with the stick." But the child did not agree. He said, "I don't recognize all these things." So the washerman was furious. He raised the stick and gave one whack to the child. This was too much for the child. He pushed the washerman back onto the ground and climbed onto him and gave him several blows. And the child ran away to his house. So, this is the story. The washerman and his wife lost their donkey also. So the story tells us that we have to approach anything and everything with our own intelligence. Do not assume things. I hope you all enjoyed this story. Share it with maximum number of people. Like, comment and subscribe. Now, next Saturday, it is a story time in Malayalam, but I'm going to make an important announcement. So don't miss it. Watch it. Till that time, tata, bye bye.